Hey everyone, welcome to a new video of free AI coding. I have found another free AI model and the model name is Command R7B, and using this model we'll do the free AI coding setup, and for that we'll use this VS Code extension Continue. So in the last video also we have used this extension Continue and we did the setup with this Codestral V2, and in this video we'll do the setup with this Command R7B. So it is a simple model and small model, and if you don't have enough space in your laptop or desktop, then you can easily use this model and you will get the best output, because on their official website they have mentioned this benchmark, that it is completely beating the other models. Like we know that Llama 3.1 8 billion model is good, but it is completely beating this on this math benchmark and this coding benchmark, and we'll test this model one by one. And the another thing is that if I show you, this is the high performance in a smaller package. And they have also written that it can be served on low-end GPUs, a MacBook or even CPUs, that I have already told you. And this model is designed for the developers and businesses that need to optimize for the speed, because in our daily life, if I do any coding or if I ask any question, in that case speed is very important. Okay, so here you see that speed and cost, performance and compute resources. This is completely an open source model, you don't have to pay any money. And they have also written another thing is that top tier speed, efficiency and quality, all of the things you will get. And another thing is that uh, variety of use cases like reasoning, summarization, question answering and the code, means our daily life tasks we can do. And they have trained this model. This is a multilingual model trained on 23 languages. Okay, so you can ask in all of the languages, means you can use your mother tongue. Okay, and the next thing is that they have make this tool in such a way that you can complete more difficult tasks also. Although this model is a 8 billion parameter model, sorry, 7 billion parameter model. Okay, and the thing is that you need to install this Olama to use this model. So how to do this? Go to this website olama.com, and there you have to install this Olama. This is a simple procedure. Just click on this download, then our software will be installed, and just click on the next. It is simple procedure, and after that just go to this page, and I have given this page in link in the description box. And there just copy this command Olama run command R7B. Okay, so open a terminal or command prompt and just paste it and press enter. So it will be installed locally, and after that go to your VS Code. Okay, and there install this extension Continue, and this is the extension. And after that on the left hand side you will find this type of icon. This is the Continue extension. Okay, in the last video also we have seen during this Codestral and this Continue setup. Okay, this was the video. If you have not watched this video or if you just missed this video, please watch this, because you will get a free AI coder. Now we'll continue to this video. Okay, so here just in this drop down click on this add chat model. Okay, and here in this provider, uh, click on this, and here select the Olama. Here you see the Olama. Okay, and after that click on this auto detect. If you don't find the model, like our model was this Command R7B, right? So but I am not finding that model here in this list. So in that case what you will do, just select this auto detect. Okay, so it will auto detect that model. Now here in this list, here you see that it this model Command R7B is there, so it has already auto detected the model. So if I select this, now here I can ask any question or I can give my code base context here. Now if I simply ask a question like I had a model, I had a prompt. So search for recipes by ingredients using an API like Spoonacular, and this is the features I want, and build this website. Now you will see that it will give you the front end and plus the back end structure. So if I press enter, and you will see that within a second it has started writing the code. So if I minimize the window, you will see that the technology stack for the front end and the back end, it is saying that front end, it is using this React.js or whatever technology you want, we can use that. And for the back end, it is telling that Node.js and this SQL. Okay. So it is doing the database design also, and now it will write the code. Okay. So you see, we got a free AI coder, and the thing is that it is completely free. Okay. And you can watch the other videos also on our channel. And in the meantime, you can subscribe this channel also if you want. If you want these type of videos more, and you can please like this video because it really motivates me. Okay, to make this type of videos for you guys only. Okay, so let's see that. So let's see that how much code it has written. Okay, so it has given me the suggestion, but now I want it to write the code for the front end. Okay, so now you write the code for front end in React. Okay, React.js. Press enter. So now it will write the code. Okay, so here you see that it is writing. Yes, import React, and this Axios it is using. And if you want code in your Python, then you can mention that I want code in Python. If you want it Java, then you can mention that Java. Okay, so all of the things you can do, and you see that it is following the actual coding structure. Okay, this is a small model, but that doesn't mean that it will not give you the correct output. It may be a small model, but you see that it is following all of the coding best practices, and it is giving the output also. That you see that it is maintaining the null pointer also that we should, and it is maintaining the unique key feature. So it is doing good, like the other popular premium model that we have seen, right? And the thing is that if you go to this article, then you will see they have written Command R7B provides state-of-the-art performance in its class of open weights model across real-world tasks that matter for users. So they have actually made this model for the users who want to use it for the real-world use cases, and also that you see that it delivers a powerful combination of multilingual support, citizen verified RAG, retrieval augmented generation, reasoning, tool use, and agentic behavior. Means you can use this model to make your AI agent. Okay. So you please try this model and let me know in the comment section that how much performance you are getting from this model, and which application you have built by using this model. Okay. So if you found helpful, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.